Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? Beyond the moon and the stars, you're looking into our cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. It's a vast, incredible place, and today we're going on a grand tour from the blazing heart of our system to its icy, distant edges. We'll explore the planets, moons, and other celestial bodies that make our home in the universe so special. So buckle up, because our journey through the solar system begins now. At the very center of it all is our star, the Sun. It's a gigantic, fiery ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium. The Sun is so massive that its gravity holds everything in our solar system in orbit, from the largest planets to the tiniest specks of dust. It accounts for 99.8% of the total mass of the entire solar system. The energy it produces through nuclear fusion provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. Without the Sun, our solar system would just be a dark, frozen wasteland. It's the ultimate powerhouse, a constant source of energy that has been burning for about 4.6 billion years, and it will continue to do so for billions more. Now, let's start our journey to the planets. First up is Mercury, the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. Being so close to our star means it zips around in its orbit faster than any other planet, completing a year in just 88 Earth days. But its day is incredibly long, lasting about 59 Earth days. Mercury's surface is a world of extremes. During the day, temperatures can soar to over 400 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. But with almost no atmosphere to trap the heat, nighttime temperatures plummet to a frigid minus 180 degrees Celsius. Its surface is heavily cratered, much like our moon, a testament to a long history of impacts from asteroids and comets. Next, we travel to Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because they're similar in size and mass. But that's where the similarities end. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. Its thick, toxic atmosphere is made mostly of carbon dioxide, which creates an extreme greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising surface temperatures to a scorching 465 degrees Celsius. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is also crushing, over 90 times that of Earth's. It's like being nearly a kilometer deep in the ocean. And weirdly, Venus spins backward compared to most other planets, so the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Now we arrive at a familiar sight, our home Earth. The third planet from the Sun is a unique oasis of life. It's the only place we know of with liquid water on its surface, a key ingredient for life as we know it. Our atmosphere, rich in nitrogen and oxygen, protects us from harmful solar radiation and keeps our planet's temperature just right. From its vast oceans and sprawling continents to its incredible diversity of life, Earth is a dynamic and truly special world. It's our responsibility to understand and protect this precious blue marble we call home. Continuing our journey outwards, we reach the fourth planet, Mars, known as the Red Planet due to the iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Mars has captivated human imagination for centuries. It's a cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. But evidence suggests that billions of years ago, Mars was a much warmer and wetter place, with rivers, lakes, and possibly even an ocean. Today, we see evidence of that past in its dried-up riverbeds and polar ice caps, which contain frozen water. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the deepest canyon, Valles Marineris, with rovers and orbiters actively exploring its surface. We are constantly learning more about this fascinating world and its potential to have once harbored life. Beyond Mars, we cross a significant boundary, the asteroid belt. This is a vast region between Mars and Jupiter, filled with millions of rocky bodies, ranging in size from tiny pebbles to dwarf planets like Ceres. These are the leftover building blocks from the formation of the solar system that never quite managed to form a planet. Thanks to the immense gravitational pull of Jupiter. While it might sound like a crowded, dangerous place to fly through, the asteroids are actually very spread out. And speaking of Jupiter, we've now arrived at the king of the planets. Jupiter is a gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system by a long shot. It's so big that all the other planets could fit inside it. It's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, just like the Sun, but it never grew massive enough to ignite into a star. Jupiter is famous for its Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's larger than Earth and has been raging for hundreds of years. It also has a faint ring system and dozens of moons, including the 4 large Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Each of these moons is a fascinating world in its own right. Our next stop is Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Saturn is another gas giant, famous for its stunning and complex system of rings. These rings are not solid but are made of billions of individual particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from grains of sand to the size of a house. Saturn itself is the least dense planet. It's so light that it would actually float in a giant bathtub of water if one existed. Like Jupiter, it has many moons, with Titan being the most intriguing. Titan is the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere and lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane on its surface, making it a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Venturing further into the cold, dark reaches of the solar system, we encounter Uranus. This is an ice giant, a type of planet different from the gas giants. It's made of heavier elements like water, methane, and ammonia, all in a slushy ice form around a small rocky core. The methane in its atmosphere absorbs red light, giving Uranus its pale blue-green color. What's most bizarre about Uranus is that it's tilted on its side, with its axis of rotation pointed almost directly at the Sun. It essentially rolls around the Sun on its side, leading to extreme seasons that last for decades. Our final planetary destination is Neptune, the other ice giant and the most distant planet from the Sun. It's a dark, cold, and incredibly windy world. Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, with gusts reaching over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Like Uranus, its blue color comes from methane in its atmosphere. Neptune was the first planet discovered through mathematical prediction rather than direct observation. Its largest moon, Triton, is a strange world that orbits Neptune backward and has geysers that spew icy material into space. But our journey isn't over yet. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast icy frontier similar to the asteroid belt, but much, much larger. This is the home of dwarf planets like Pluto, Makemake, and Haumea, as well as countless comets. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet, is a complex and fascinating world, with mountains of water ice, vast plains of frozen nitrogen, and a thin, hazy atmosphere. The Kuiper Belt is a remnant from the early solar system, holding clues to how our cosmic neighborhood formed and evolved. And even further out, surrounding our entire solar system like a giant, spherical shell, is the theoretical Oort cloud. This is believed to be a vast repository of trillions of icy comets, marking the very edge of the Sun's gravitational influence. This is the final frontier of our solar system. From the fiery Sun to the icy Oort cloud, we've traveled billions of kilometers. We've seen scorching hot worlds, stormy gas giants, and mysterious icy bodies. Our solar system is a place of incredible diversity and wonder. And the most amazing part, we're just beginning to explore it. Every new mission and every new discovery teaches us more about our place in the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. Keep looking up and never stop wondering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cosmic adventures.